SlimChroma, Bellwether's high-speed flat cable. Various wire quantities and pitch options for different applications. 0.6 millimeters, 0.5 millimeters, 0.4 millimeters, small size. Excellent heat resistance, and comes in two different types: Hotbar Type, Gold Finger Type. There are 4 key features of SlimChroma. Small size. It saves 50% of space compared with traditional flat cables. SlimChroma's ultra-thin and foldable material allows for more design freedom and effective space usage, whether wiring on the edge of the chassis or under the motherboard. SlimChroma can be preformed to save assembly time and is a more organized and aesthetic appearance. SlimChroma is an efficient use of space and has optimized heat dissipation to improve internal airflow and to reduce the temperature inside the case. SlimChroma provides a more efficient assembly. The traditional wiring harness assembly is very complicated. SlimChroma's integrated structure simplifies the assembly process, which can reduce assembly time and cost. It also eliminates the problem of uneven lengths in traditional wiring harnesses, which significantly reduces the issue of signal skew. SlimChroma Gold Finger Type can be connected directly to the connector. Direct connection reduces the need for cable soldering to the PCB, prevents PCB connection risks, and ensures impedance matching. All of the wires in SlimChroma can be used for high-speed signals transmission. The transmission speed can be matched to the application need. SlimChroma can meet the next generation signal transmission needs for your application. It can also be applied to various connection interfaces. Bellwether SlimChroma flat cable is the best choice solution for your high-speed cable needs. Innovation, speed, customer satisfaction, your best partner. Bellwether.